Flying a drone from a boat in West Izu. Office Sumin, located in Ukusu, West Izu, can arrange drone flights from recreational fishing boats upon request for scenic aerial filming. Even foreign nationals residing in Japan must apply for the appropriate drone flight permits in accordance with Japanese regulations. Whether for recreation or professional use, master the art of flying drones from boats on oceans, rivers, and lakes. Discover and film Japan's breathtaking scenery to create lasting memories. Arrival location, Office Sumi, 638 to 1 Ukusu, Nishiizu Town, Shizuoka Prefecture. Walking time, approximately 3 minutes, about 247 miles. Weekdays 8:30 to 17:30. Please confirm in advance if hours charm.